Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jedidiah Morin. If you are watching me for the first time, thank you for coming. Help me hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notification so that anytime I upload video, you go get a notification. Today's video now about this lady when they call African German First Lady. So I get message for African German First Lady. See, let me tell you one thing. This YouTuber, I don't already talk and say I don't want to do any controversial matter, but I can't dey shame for this our Nigerian YouTubers where we say they for abroad, where they for Europe. Mostly this one that they call African German First Lady, where they always they involve herself for controversial matter. You see, you see that thing where we say you do True Dream with Lady T, where we say you come out for social media, carry in family matter, come out, come they talk say she dey HIV positive, say her husband dey maltreat her son. You see that thing where we say you do, that thing where you be say you do. Except now only person where we say no get sense, where we say you know the reason, now I go support you for that thing where we say you do. It's very, very wrong. Make you stop am. Last year when Vera come for you, I think you shocking yourself. So this video website they do so. This video website they do so. If una like, if African German First Lady, or been a last lady, then they call her. If you like, make you come for me. And if you come for me, I go tell you say, I be worry woman. I say worry here a day. I go tell you say, I no be Lady T. Your house, your place no far from me. Now like 300 now I go tell reach that your place. I don't do a lot of investigation about you. You don't do too much. It's high time people should call you to order. You don't do too much. Everything not be this life for you they see, so everything not be about view. Consider human being. Okay, let's assume you said true that thing when we say you talk about True Dream Lady T say she dey HIV positive. Say true she dey HIV positive. Who made you a judge? Are you supposed to even come out to come declare somebody's status? Don't you know what because me as I dey here, sir, I'm a health person, and I know what it mean. There's something they call confidential in people's life. Somebody health status is very, very wrong for you to bring somebody health status come outside. If that person sue you, go court them. Before you go come out for this matter, you go know yourself. What kind of rubbish is this? See this True Dream with Lady T, that woman where they see so. Since when I follow that woman, she never get controversial matter one day. She never get controversial matter. She just did her own. Even when she make that video where they feel say now you then call, she mention your name. She mention your name. I think Coco Mama don't come. Coco Mama don't come for you. You shocking. Come outside now, make you and Ando. I know say that one was Cuckoo ready for you. Where? You say you they do hookup program. You they hook couples together, make them marry. Any person with rightful sense go even come confide in you, because woman will be say no fit keep secret. When no fit keep secret, let's assume say this kind of thing they happen in the life of True Dream with Lady T. You no fit keep secret. Now I'm sorry for people where be say then they come meet you say na husband that they find then make you hook them up. I'm sorry for such people, because why I say so, if any woman will be say no fit keep little secret, that person know what's confiding in. Because now this whole thing just they contradict you. You say you they hook up people. Meanwhile, you know about somebody's this thing. You come social media, come they talk about the person. They talk about the person. And not what you talk now lie, because True Dream with Lady T don't bring out her status. Don't show us say she not the HIV positive. If na maybe that woman, I go sue you. I go sue you before you go come out for this matter. I go sue you for coming out. This is called deformation of character. You deform her character. You deform her. Somebody will be say they live her life. It just say everybody now want to carry in family matter. Come social media, come they tell people say see. As I dey here, so me as I dey here, so I don't marry. I get children. My husband want me. He no want to see any of his children for inside this social media. Now let me and my dog. Highest website I go bring now my dog. Now I go see for this place. And some time ago I introduced myself for one of my video when I talk about when I don't already get 100 subscribers that time. I can't try to introduce myself to my followers. That is where you now go know me. So all those kind of when we say I go carry children matter, You come now, that little boy now, if he grow up now, he go come see the kind thing wey be say you talk about am. Una know the reason sef. This money wey be say person dey find. E mean say this money wey be say you dey find, so if you want to find money, you no go find am with a good conscience. With good conscience, so that when you dey eat the money, your conscience go dey tell you. Even if I know say most of una now dey do this thing say because say you dey find view, okay, now you don't get the view. Are you happy? Which fulfillment you get say you dey deform people character? Which fulfillment? Now so you come the other time, you come talk about Oluchi Lloyd. Oluchi Lloyd boy, you do like say last year Vera come for you. Why you shocking? So I beg all this kind of character wey be say you dey do, make you repent, make you stop am. And this video wey be say they do, all in disciples, all in followers, if una like, one una go show am, or if you see am come out for me, I go ready for am. Where you go know say person dey pass person, you go know say people wey be say this Nigeria dey you go really know say I leg wey dey waka kurukere, I wey be say they do one kurukere, they see am too. So which kind character be all this one? Every time na your matter na be say na they go dey talk for social media. If you be say you don't run out of idea, you no go close down your YouTube channel. When you don't see say people know they view you again, you go come look for somebody where be say you know say if they get view, one go scatter and so that wetin go come happen. So that wetin go happen. Okay, lady true drill with Lady T and HIV positive. Wetin come happen. So wetin make we do? Make we no come watch our video again. Be waiting. What does HIV positive get to do with somebody's video and followers? What does it have to do? Anybody will be saying, listen to this woman matter, you go sit in a bad belly. Bad belly? And all this thing, wetin they cause all this thing, illiteracy. Here, African German last lady, I mean, wetin you call yourself. Your level of illiteracy is too high. Go, make you go educate yourself small. Make so that if people they watch you, they see something in you. Your illiteracy they worry you. And if to say doctor they feel they operate illiteracy come out for person body, and for say may you go undergo surgery, may they remove all those illiteracy come out for your body. Your level of illiteracy is too high. Other oyibo YouTubers will be say, no, they see them. Even this our Nigeria where they see, so our Nigeria YouTubers, you know they see the way everybody they mind in business they do. The YouTube is not big to contain everybody. The YouTube is very big to contain everybody. And some of them will be so now they form a Lord of the Ring, Lord and Master of YouTube. Nobody as you see, all of us will be say will be young to grow very soon. But all this one about bad character, people go display on a finish. Very soon now, nobody go they watch on because this one character is not encouraging at all. It's not encouraging. It's not encouraging. This your character. If care not taken, very soon now, a lot of people go start to unsubscribe you because you are stepping on people's toe too much because say you they look for view. Because say you they look for view, you are stepping on people's toe. Which kind of money una they find say we be so una go start person go human being get woman for that matter go come social media come they talk all sort of nonsense about a fellow woman. It's high time all we women go stand for our fellow women. You come they talk all sort of things, do face like monkey where lick lime. They talk all sort of things about your fellow woman and you are fifi. You dey very fifi and some kind of people that they praise you, you they happy. According to one parable for my this they say ogiri honestly. When you they praise that Maggie ogiri, the ogiri go come they send the mom. Or make I just put it the other way. When you they praise curry, the curry will come they send. Now be this your own. Because you get some eye service followers so be say then they ginger you, then they deceive you and you they do and you they to say you they do. You know say a lot of people they view you all over the whole world. Then they look you, then they weigh your character. They don't say I say this. In fact, let me just tell you one thing. You see this your character, this thing where we say you are fond of going to attack people. When you see say people don't they grow small for you to be, you will come go talk rubbish about them. And they wait for you. Me I never grow. Maybe I make you not go talk my matter. They wait for you. The day where be say you dance that your reggae come my side. Now that I go dance my makosa, scatter that your reggae for you. Which kind rubbish be all this one? Yeah, una just dey make person dey shame. Na so anything wey be say Africans dem enter, na so e dey be. Mostly we Nigeria, anything wey be say we Nigeria, this YouTube now, Igbo na the first start am o. They do the thing now, the thing everybody dey enjoy now. As una don carry this una spirit of jaga enter YouTube now, very soon now, if case not taken now, they go start to dey ban Nigeria YouTubers because una matter don too much. Una matter don too much. Una no fit just come together, team up, do things wey be say e go make people look una. E go make people look una like better people. Role model, stand as a role model. People they look up to you. You can't form a buzz for YouTube. You feel say, very soon these little ones, all these small YouTubers, people like us, when we they come up, you go see say very soon people go shift, come up for una, come face us because we get something upstairs. We get what we go give una. Which type of all this every day you go come? If you no cause Coco Mama, you go cause this. I think Coco Mama don't come for you. Coco Mama don't come for you. Coco Mama yesterday do video. He show her certificate, everything. She go school. You they call her Mama of rank. She don't come and come show you how she be everything. She don't show you her certificates, her marriage certificates, everything. Not be everybody pass bush they enter abroad. Not be every person pass Sahara Desert they enter that Europe. Which one be all this one wey be say person no go hear word for now? This message now for you, True Dream. No, True Dream na better person. True Dream na very nice woman. She never for one day go talk about person. Even when she talk, she mention your name. And they follow True Dream since True Dream no get this kind of character. True Dream na very nice and responsible woman. But this African German first lady, you no go mind your business. Every day you go carry people matter, come social media, come they talk. And also you get plenty followers, so just come for me. You go no and far. You go to say me as I dey here, so abroad where beside they go, I they go that kind of waka. If I want to go abroad, I go holiday, come back. Now that type of abroad that they go, I know they follow now they do all those rubbish one that they do. Which kind of rubbish be all this one? They in fact, you get luck say no be person like me be that True Dream. By the time I finish dealing with you, you go no. Come they talk which right you even get to talk about somebody's status, health status? You don't know what they call confidential something. Which right will be say you get to come they say person na HIV positive? Come they carry involved person children, the husband for social media. So making husband pursue make everybody if true to be HIV positive. So make we run live and make we not watch our channel again. Make everybody surround your channel like mountains surround Jerusalem. Because the YouTube not let you they make her for. Not let you not like YouTube money. Everybody come escort you. Everybody will come they watch you. Even to encourage people where we say they grow, you cannot even encourage no impact. You cannot even encourage anybody. Look at Coco Mama. Out of all of them, when we say you see, so now Coco Mama na be the best because why I say so be say this Coco Mama when they monetize her channel, I know she mentioned my name, say I be one of her people where we say they watch her. She thank me. No matter how person watch una reach, no matter how person do reach, una need they show appreciation. Now just to the deform people character na sabi. A lot of young YouTubers that they watch you cannot one day recommend even thank those people. Show appreciation. Only Coco Mama na be the person when we say they show people support. Now be the person when we say I know say yes, she's down to earth. Coco Mama, she's a very nice person. Your own true your own this African last lady, your own now just make everybody surround your channel like a mountain surround Jerusalem. Now you want not let you now in the realm. I'm sorry for you because a lot of people. I don't open. A lot of people are joining YouTube every day. And anybody want to join YouTube, I encourage that person to join YouTube. Because the space is very big to contain everybody. Which one be all this giddy activity now just they form unnecessary activities for inside social media, like say now alone and then they make the YouTube for. You get luck. If you try this nonsense, what we say you try for where you this rubbish, what we say you try for where True Dream with Lady T, if you try and come my side, I no go tell you. And in fact, you go see, you go, and that word wey they say worry, we not dey carry last. I go really let you know say we worry, we not dey carry last. Try am for where I dey wait for you. I dey wait for you. My country people, I beg, if you be say you never subscribe to this channel, make you help me hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notification so that anytime I upload video, you go see. And my country people, I not be that kind of person where be saying they involve myself for this kind of matter, but it's high time people should tell this woman the truth. Make person tell her the truth, say this thing when she dey do, e not good. E not good. Stop deforming people's character. It's not good. My country people, God go bless una and do well. Bye.